Yep. Y'all know who it is. It's Uncle P. This is the new year, and we're making new money, y'all. Same thing every year. Let's get it done. So let's go over the report so you guys know what's popping and what's going on. As you can see right here, this is from January 2nd to January 7th, and we've been popping. Already starting the year off right. We had 9 wins, 3 losses, 2 break-evens. The scalping group had a 100% win rate with 2,200 pips. And man, they smashed it. And I got something else to show you guys in just a moment. So let's go over this. We did have 3 losses. One of them was a legitimate loss. But look at this one. We really just closed this one out early. You know what I mean? And so the broker spread, we had 2 positions open. Broker spread about 4 pips each. So it was pretty much a break even. That's why it was only 11 pips. And on this one, they actually hit us with the stop hunt right after that news event from the Fed interest rates. They came out talking about, oh, you know, blah, 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 with the interest rates, and then the market spiked, and then after it spiked, then it came back around and went right up and shot right into our take profit. So we kind of lost on that one. That's cool. It happens. But the deal is that we have a lot more trades coming out. I want to show y'all this. This is hot right here. Hold on. Let me bring this on screen. Kind of bring this, see if I can make it fit. Give me a second. All right. Hold on. Yeah. All right. Hold on one second. Let me see if I can make this fit for y'all. This is what they did last year, and I did a nice theme for it. So make sure to look at this thumbnail. I did a post on it where they did over 212,000 pips last year in the month of December. It was crazy. The scalping group did this. So in that report that I had sent out, it clearly shows how many pips they had made, lost, all that kind of stuff. But at the end of the day, over 200,000 pips. So basically, when they took in the losses, they had like 19,000 pips lost, but over 214,000 pips made. So when you do the subtraction, it came to about like 196,000 pips, give or take, you know, when the year was over. But who does that, you know, in this business? So again, if you guys want to join the Signal service, make sure you're logging in. It's 2 separate things. So let's be clear, because I think haven't went over that. When you join, this is why this report is separated, okay? Because we send out signals, which is regular, you know, pairs that we send out for day trades and swing trades. That's what this section is here. But the scalping group is a separate thing. It's all in one price, so we don't charge you extra, but it's all one price. So make sure that you're joining the second half of the scalping group, where they're joining in live a couple of times a week, and the trade schedule for Miss Jenny is in the tutorial steps. So don't just join and don't go through the tutorials. It's in the tutorial steps what day and what time the classes are. And you'll be able to be taking advantage of not only the signals, but you'll also be able to take advantage of joining the scalping group. And even if you can't make it live, they are recorded for you to play back. So take advantage. I mean, why struggle? You know what I mean? And we have 2 communities, you know, I mean, we have a community there for the scalping group. So they have their own chat channel where they talk and have discussions during the week and stuff like that. So it's just no reason for you to struggle and not make it this year. Okay, you guys? So that's the report. Hope you enjoy your weekend, and see you on the inside of our group.